Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. and this is actually hopefully will be a very quick video on all the replacement parts, on what you need as far as the iRobot Roomba 690, but this also goes for any of the 600 series. So 614, 620, 630, 650, 660, 665, 680, and then the 690 and what you see right now. And if you don't have a Roomba, then get your life together. So I actually ran across this on Amazon where they have all these replacement parts. They give you 3 of everything, and it's basically all the essentials. So you have the bristle brush, the flexible beater, the arm side brushes, and then of course the filters here. So for 22 bucks. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to replace 1, 2, 3, all 4 of these main parts. So as long as this thing doesn't actually get dog crap in it, should be pretty good. But you'll see that this one has taken on a little bit of wear. So but luckily this is extremely easy. Now these 2 here, you just need 2 hands. I mean, you do it at the same time, and it should just go up. Of course, using the camera right now. There we go. Boom. And that just lifts up. That just lifts up with that compartment. And these literally just pull out. 1, and you can see this guy's done. This is going in the trash. And then same thing with this. There isn't much left of this. That's all hair. So that one's gone too. That one almost looks like a pine cone now. And this is literally as simple as it gets right now. So without going too crazy here, let's see here. Let's put in the first piece in the back. Dun, dun, dun. Should just go right in. Yeah. I think if there's anything else in here, you can just clean it out real quick. But it isn't anything. It isn't too bad in here. It's just the actual pieces themselves need to be replaced from time to time. So let's chuck that. Get the next piece in here. This side should just snap in like the other one. There we go. Look at that. Brand new. They just snap in like that. You close the cover. That's it. Boom. 2 out of 4 are already done. Now we're going to the next, the side arm. The arm brush, which you see right here. Tangled up just from excessive use and all that fun stuff. So, and just so you know, if you for whatever reason, this thing decides to run over, if you have a dog who's not crated and just decides to take a crap on the wherever on your carpet, then you can actually call iRobot, and they will actually refund you your money, or they'll actually send you a new Roomba, which is pretty cool. If that does happen. Hopefully not. This is fun with one hand. I'm like, I don't have the tripod right now. Okay. Where it's literally 1 screw that pops out. Get all that tangled out. And this is it. Boom. And then they actually give you, I love doing this with one hand. They actually give you screws with this. I'll actually put a link in the description for this, for all these replacement parts. So excuse the excessive moving right now. So let me put this in. So I mean, if I can do all this with one hand, you're gonna have no problem whatsoever. So hopefully this won't move too much. So let's see. that nice and tight. And I'll tighten that down, but that's good. And now the last part is the actual air filter, or just the filter itself. And that is back here where this opens. Here's the old guy. And I believe that this just pops right out. Let's see. Yeah. You just squeeze on these two little yellow levers right there. You see this air filter is, this filter is done and going in the trash. So, and then anything else here, whatever I can get out, is going as well. And whatever I just blew away, the Roomba will get later. And this is really it. It's really that simple. So, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. So, oh, yeah, other way. That is, Jesus Christ. Trying to squeeze it in, try to do everything with one hand here. But yeah, it's really that simple to replace all the parts. Everything is new and spiffy. It'll run 10 times better when you have all these new parts in here. So yeah, so here's my one of the brushes that's just covered in hair and all that fun stuff. So everything's getting tangled in there. So at least now we have actual replacement parts. We just chuck everything else. You can even chuck the old screws and all that, because with this specific order that I received, yeah, they give you 3 of everything. So the whatchamacallit, so we have the bristle brush, and then we have the flexible beater brush, and then we have bristle brush, and then the flexible beater brush, and then the arm side brush, and then they're called the Aero Vac Filters, which is in there. So that's really it. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys, and if you do not have a Roomba, definitely check it out, because it beats the hell out of any other modern day vacuum. So at least in my experience. But yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.